Hi, Ron from Clarity. In this video, we're going to take a look at OpenRails' company-wide chat feature. OpenRails is a highly secure and scalable AI management platform that can manage many simultaneous and disparate AI projects, each with their own purpose, security, and even using different LLMs if desired. At the core of the platform is the chat capability. Chatbots are a tool that allows you to access, test, and correct data within the LLMs in your AI infrastructure. Company-wide chat provides the basic capabilities that we've all enjoyed from common chat tools over the years, with additional capabilities for secure access. Most employees, when they launch OpenRails, will be brought straight to the company-wide chat screen. If you have administrative rights, you can find it under the Inference menu. At the top and middle of the screen is a drop-down. This drop-down displays all of the data lakes that the user has access to. For example, management may have access to the product, support, sales, marketing, finance, and employee data lakes, but the controller may only have access to the finance data lake. Role assignments grant access to both chatbots and users, granting access at a granular level. Clicking on the drop-down displays all the data lakes that I've been granted access to. As I choose a data lake, it loads the session for that data, which includes the chat history from the interactions I've had with that data lake. You can see on the left here in the chat history, as I toggle between data lakes I have access to, it swaps out the chat history as well, which can be revisited at any time. It's like having access to many installations of ChatGPT, but each with completely different data on the back end. On the right, depending on my interactions, it will display the documents containing information that it used to construct my response, along with a score of how well that content in the document matched my inquiry. Using the chatbot's experience can be different depending on the settings chosen during setup. In my instance, I have Agent Thought Process turned on so I can visibly see what the agents are working on while I'm waiting for my response. I also have Feedback turned on so that employees can rate their responses and submit corrections to data quickly and easily. Once I've received my response, I can rate it, shown either by 1 to 5 stars or in my instance, thumbs up or thumbs down. Once I've rated it, it adds 3 more fields for additional corrective action. The first 2 fields allow me to provide more granular feedback on the accuracy of the response, as well as how detailed the response was. The third field allows me to submit any corrective information, which is forwarded to an approval process to be reviewed, possibly edited, then either rejected or promoted into a fine-tuning rule, which will be added to the training of the LLM. So in summary, Company-wide chat is a roles-based master chatbot which allows access to your staff to any number of data lakes quickly and securely, along with the ability to provide feedback and corrective responses to continuously improve your data by those using the platform. Thanks for watching.